What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Just want to make sure I'm like properly spaced out headroom. Well, this is my living room. Welcome to my living room. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing a box. In fact, I'm gonna be doing a few of these videos because I've made some crazy partnerships with amazing, phenomenal motorsport companies that work on BMW cars, right? Obviously. So I'm gonna open up a box and then we'll do another video and open up another box because I'm gonna show you what I'm receiving from these companies to give them credit, but also to give you valuable information on how to order and what to order from which company. I hope that makes sense. I just wanna give you value and confidence to order from such companies because I trust them, I vetted them, and I know for a fact they are gonna be really helping out with my build. I hope that made sense. That didn't really make sense. I just hope that these videos give you confidence in ordering with such companies because they make quality parts and I trust them with my build on my 440i GC. And the GC is for Grand Coupe, if you don't know. Well, let's get on to it. I'm gonna open up the first box and announce a new partnership with a company. So let's get to it. So right off the back, this one is, well, actually there's no label on it, so let's see what this is all about. You know, I feel like it's Christmas, so let's get to it. Holy crud. Okay. Wow, check this out. Hello. Okay, so this is OBDLink. Yeah. So OBDLink is gonna be our new partner. I hope you can see it. If not, let me get closer. So OBDLink is gonna be our new partner with making these videos. No, let me make this look pretty because my presentation is key, right? So I wanna announce our new partnership with OBDLink. They make some amazing products, OBD parts obviously, to connect to your car. Now, the reason why I use them, oh, you know what? I have a box here that's flipped the other way around. So they make amazing OBD ports that connect to your BMW, and this is compatible with BeemerLink and also beemer code. So I definitely have looked into other sources. I've been using VPeak for the past year, and trust me, they're great. I've been using them, it's awesome, but I'm looking for something a little bit more sturdy, something that can hold its weight. And unfortunately, that OBDLink from VPeak that I got from Amazon had some issues. You know, it was too plasticky, it was very brittle, and the connection wasn't that secure at times. I don't know if you can relate, but again, nothing against them. The product worked. I coded a bunch of stuff, which you can watch right here. It's a playlist full of stuff that I've coded on my 320i using that VPeak, and you know, they're a great company, but I was looking for something else, exploring other options, because guess what? I mean, that's just the whole nature of the game. It's exploratory and seeing what else is out there. So I connected it with OBDLink, and they provided these products right here in which I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because there will be a giveaway of all this. Not all of this, but there's gonna be opportunities for a lot of you to win an OBDLink CX or an OBDLink MX Plus. So guys, I'm partnering up with OBDLink and giving away 5 of these CX models and also 2 of the MX models. Guys, these are valued at a great price and I'm giving them away for free, right? So the OBDLink CX is valued at 60 bucks. And the MX Plus is valued at 100 bucks, right? Let me talk about the MX Plus. It has maximum vehicle coverage. It supports SW CAN and MS CAN protocols. It's a very fast adapter, has unlimited OEM specific data add-ons. It's small form factor, right? Hacker-proof, read and clear check engine lights, automatic sleep and wake, free included iOS, Android, and Windows apps. It's supported by dozens of third-party apps and free firmware updates. So guys, again, you don't want to get hacked. I mean, these tools are very useful, especially for our BMWs. When you get that random check engine light, you don't want to go to the dealer and spend over $250 just for a diagnostic. I mean, hey, right here, you can pay either 60 bucks or 100 bucks and have it forever and have unlimited error code readers right at the palm of your hands on your phone. So let's open one up and see what we're talking about here. So let's do that. Look at that, it's like getting a ring. This is cool. All right, so when you open it, it looks like a ring box, right? I mean, it's pretty cool. And it comes with this little packaging, instructions. It says 3-year warranty, which is really dope to have. I mean, hey, a lot can happen in 3 years, right? And this is just like a guidebook on how to use a product, right? And here, look at this little thing. It's so little. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but that's probably a Mustang doing Mustang things, right? Anyways, so yeah, look at this little thing. It's so dope. So, I mean, gosh, it feels amazing. You know, it's so little. Look how small it is to my hand. So, I mean, the V-Peak is a little bit bigger. So I appreciate how small this is. I'm guessing these are lights, which I think it is. I'll do a full in-depth review, guys, coming up soon. So make sure you sub to the channel because that video is coming out soon. So this is the CX model, which is great. So guys, make sure you sub to the channel because I am going to be doing an in-depth review on how this works with beemer code and beemer-link and just the overall response in comparison to V-Peak. So stay tuned and make sure you sub to the channel. Click down here and you can do that. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah. All right, so that was the CX model. Let's review the MX. There's a substantial price difference, obviously. The CX is 60 bucks and the MX is about 100 bucks, right? And you can look at their shipping options below. So this one, it opens up the same guide, same everything, and ooh, it comes with a little packaging too. Let me show you. So just like the CX, it comes with this nice little packaging as well. 3-year coverage as well, which is really good to have. And guess what? It comes with a little pouch, which is pretty awesome to have, guys. So let's take this pouch out. Nothing in the box after that. The OBDLink from V-Peak was kind of similar to this, where it came with a nice little packaging. So let's open that up. Now let's see what we have here. Holy moly, this is massive. Okay, this is similar to the V-Peak, right? The V-Peak is kind of like this, but this feels different. So this right here is very familiar. I'm used to this from the V-Peak. It's kind of the same size, but it just feels different. It feels a lot more sturdier, more robust, I would say. Same lights, actually it has more lights. So here's a good side-by-side comparison of what they both look like together. Here is the side profile. So it's obviously a size difference, if my camera can focus on it. There's obviously a big size difference, right? The OBDLink MX Plus is obviously bigger. The CX is smaller, which again, preference, right? But I believe they both have different features and whatnot. So let's go over those features right now. Okay, so the OBDLink CX says here that it has, it's made for beemer code and recommended by the beemer code team, which is great. Has 100% coverage of beemer code vehicles and features, easy in-app pairing, rock solid connection, and free OBDLink app monitor like parameters, performance diagnostic. You could also clear check engine light. So it looks like the OBD CX is like meant for beemer code only. I mean, that's what I'm seeing here. That's what I'm reading. It says here in big yellow letters in bold on the website, made for beemer code. So I'm like, okay, cool. So then that's kind of clear for what the CX model is for. So if you're using it for BMW, beemer code, this may be the only thing you need, right? You can save some money, pay 60 bucks and get this. Now, if we go to the MX and kind of compare what that looks like, let me see this thing, products, MX. So the MX is more robust. It says here, maximum vehicle coverage, supports CW CAN and MS CAN protocols, world's fastest Bluetooth, free unlimited OEM specific data add-ons, small form factor. It is smaller. Hacker proof, which I believe it's a big deal because you have this plugged into your car, anybody can mess with your car, right? You can read and clear check engine light, automatic sleep and awake, which is, I think it's pretty cool because you can leave it plugged in, and if it falls asleep while it's plugged in, I think that's pretty awesome, right? It's included with like Android and Windows apps, supported by dozens of third-party apps and free firmware updates. So, you know, I think this is useful for, say for example, you have a BMW and you have like a Ford, or say if you have a BMW and something else, this could be the route because now you can plug into various cars, which is wonderful because my wife just got a Porsche and now I could use this one to go to her car, or I could use the CX. I could actually leave this plugged into my BMW, leave it there forever, right? And just clear and code whatever as I go. And I can use this one, the MX Plus, to plug into her car. Because guess what? It's compatible with all cars. So there you have it, guys. You have two different models. One that's specifically made for beemer code, BMWs, $60. And then you have the MX Plus, which is just compatible for pretty much all vehicles, and it's compatible with a lot of third-party apps. And it's hacker-proof, which for me, it's like a big deal because guys, you do not want to be hacked. It's not a cool thing. So anyways, guys, there you have it. Sorry this video was really long, but there you go. Giveaways coming soon. If you want to order one right now, go to the link in my description and you can order your OBDLink products. Thank you if you stuck around all the way to the end of this video, guys. I am collaborating with amazing companies. I've vetted OBDLink and I've seen a number of videos and articles and reviews on them, and I trust them. So guys, thank you so much once again. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, follow me on Instagram, throw me a DM, a question if you have. I love engaging with my subscribers in any form or way, through comments on YouTube or on Instagram through DM. I always respond, guys. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you next week.